So at the giveaway, I'm going to go straight ahead. It is a blind spot, so I'm slowing down, positioning my car, just checking on the right hand side, just leaning forward with my body. On the left hand side is clear, it's clear at the head, and it's clear on the right hand side, so I'm going ahead.
After 100 yards, turn left, Seath Avenue. Then, at the end of the road, turn left.
So just be careful here at Roy's, because there on my right hand side where the grey car was, there is a junction there. In front of me where the post box is, and where the blue car is on the left hand side, there's also a junction. So I'm being extra careful here, making sure it's clear for me to go. And notice my speed there.